The tempest is raging, the billows are tossing high. The sky is so shadowed with darkness, no shelter or help is nigh. There is none that we perish. How can the liars feed? When each moment so madly is threatening, how craving the upward. The winds and the waves shall obey thy will. Peace be still, peace be still. Whether the wrath of the storm to sea, or demons or men or whatever it be, no waters can swallow the ship when lies the master of ocean and earth and stars. The earth shall strictly obey thy will. Peace be still, peace be still. The earth shall strictly obey thy will. Peace, peace be still. Master, the terror is over, the elements sweetly rest, and sounding the calm latest mirror, and heavens within my breast. Linger, O blessed Redeemer, leave me alone no more, and with joy I shall make the blessed harbor, and rest on the blissful shore. The winds and the waves shall obey thy will. Peace be still, peace be still. Whether the wrath of the storm to sea, or demons or men or whatever it be, no waters can swallow the ship when lies the master of ocean and earth and skies. The earth shall sweetly obey thy will. Peace be still, peace be still. The earth shall sweetly obey thy will. Peace, peace be still. Everyone needs compassion, a love that's never failing. Let mercy fall on me. Everyone needs forgiveness, the kindness of the Savior, the hope of nations. Savior.
This is Chariot TV.
Yes, of course. This is Chariot TV, and we are live on Love and Family Corner. My name is Shadrach Opon. I'm your host on this show. Na ede enyumre yebebo nkomo na yato yebo ase ababa nsemu serbe ya mene umie no yebitimi enya emunti ase when it comes to love, any efie, any relationship, any marriage, any parenting, this animal, and no, and this program really stand for. Na ede ye bomodin na to me akomu na ya hwe. Si bitimi akoye nim ewo enema ye discuss na efie ha de makanche say on Chariot TV enema bebre na obaso a obetumi enya. Ena Monday na yabehwemu de na ese yeto eboase na yekọ efie nsensemu na yetumi eboa ema bibibiara ebetumi aye ama efie aye jojo no yetumi aye me fear de me baby a Monday na onim say me the counselor bi na eba but ono no o de chire me kan ho asamacho na ofie hanoma ye no ebebo nkomo opanyini Kwadwo Asan na papa yi oye counselor ono ene na hyiamu ewo ha eja akwaba
Yeah, eja
but you want to say?
Nyamiado me huye.
Very good. We shall come right now. Say, me I know what I me the any who the I pill. And
Miss Yensia.
Well, who the men come once and say, it was a for you're queer, the walk made the beba. Now, Penny you are son, Ewa Hanuma, Yeno, Ebo, and Como. Now, a near my ear discussing baby, you drew no. Yes, things that undermine the relationship. Things that undermine relationship. And they heard part 4. Now, say, and then the first time I will join here, you can go on YouTube and then you can see all that we have. I mean, just search for Chariot TV and then you will hear logo, no? Now you blue, not just say Aponko, or Esu, Yesu Cross, and I say Chariot TV, no.
Yeah.
Now, last time we share, you discussed and our name Emma, you can't want some here, say you to me, I am flexible, kakra, any kaka, it's for kakra.
Oh, all right. Things that undermine the marriage relationship, not just a relationship, but marriage relationship.
Exactly.
I know, say, todo na ye kano, ebe ki or other relationship, but I had a year focus. Marriage.
Exactly.
Inti ye name be a busyness. It be a role confusion. You can business. So nipa nya de jew. A man who can fu nebusiano e wo fie. Na ka role confusions. Na just say obi a steady and na famudi so ye e wa ware nimu no.
Yeah.
Well to na jeje. Ya ka bibiri aba ama na otwe a etwe mu. You be do conflicting needs.
Yeah, conflicting
needs. You can inflexibility. So we be a trying. No, I chinchini. Wawa once san unimem kakra. Anka onu bi ehia. Na onu fi baby ba na fi baby ba. Na anka wago unimem kakra.
Exactly.
Na ma asetran no aye mmere wa mamu ba no ni na.
Sure.
No bi the baby ogina na wa na ogina.
Onya na do so besesan.
Yes. Nti baby a ye de bedui the 6 conflicting needs.
Yeah.
No. Na make an outry granam you bonkomo. Say can need say television, the cars in your name. But a year no 72
and they can.
Because I don't know man solve problems. I don't know ever now I say painkiller.
Sure.
We are a casana utipa no afa para. Ebe brand as kakra bi na so yare na nkasa
enso
wo need in really ankasa ewo ho.
Sure.
Nti eno na ebrobo so abi ehu insete senia ye ma examples obi wo ha na de ne se ezo nyi obi na odi ne so
ya
na so odi na nim ono shere bibia se na obi di na echi. Nti se o kunu sa na wo yere a ono so aye krado se ana na de ne se obi be di na nim a eno no enta for how ma nemo unya obi a oberima opeso di obi anim no yere nso a opeso no so di anim a na de asema ba ana se bia won bani ni nyina obi a hwe ne yonko anim so obako be di anim
na nso
emma no nso e de ntantaba ana se mpo se dan a esane obia oyere ni okunu asede wo fie sunsun dantem nti se koye se ye wo bia ono bibi opeso di anim ne oberima otwen no bia di anim a ne no nso na eno ni etwatokra na ehawo o kan si esa society
the society
baby out potem a afoforo no obehu oden ene ye behwe ne to so eson na se kwan be mu na etimi kodu ne to so du na ne se ye wi things that undermine the relationship but na niema etoto aware no ase ayen ketenketin a if say if ha yɛrɛ kɔ akɛse
no mu
akɛse no mu nneɛma a ɛsoso yɛn ankasa ɛne de ɛba ɛwɔ so awarefo
enti me to say these I mean what you can count these things I can want to me nneɛma ɛba awade no mu but one we obebu ani egu so wa adwen ma so say hu hia bia ma then na ididi awade na say kakra I see nti the 8th one and
the
7th one
say ye 222 but ne aka no ye tie kakra
okay
se wan kwatwe bi fufura mebom dia
mebom dia se me dem metia madwuma so mebusa nsam mancrofo etiro wo de eba na se me feel say I am on for issues then we hold on and then okay enti eno dey bad
personality difference say ni onipa bia osi ete efa ye ka personality say ni onipa person o na attitude because personality sometimes may not be coming out from and I say nipa ni su ankasa nemo niema ho person oye
okay
nti so ne da esu ene ban na ankasa na so niema nipa no a person oye because personality self selected make a self selected and ankasa ne person oye
okay
nti sa niema we ade a ye nipa banu a ye fi mia ahoro ene su ahoro abehia na fi eshwe nim se anka ibetimi ahyehye ye ho na niema ye pese ye no ye bedwene afoforo ho ene se ne wosi hu ade fa ansa na ye tuanamo aye
okay
se ne be ya anka ye mbenu no betimi atena ase ni apoto kasem ne be kase ya compatible ya atena ase aye bia abom mana aye dwuma pepepe ebi ebi o ha ope apiepie kakra ope so opie obi nso empe apiepie de bi ope dem enti eno etimi didi aware na ase kakra ne enti etimi didi aware na ase ne se ahyase no uhu mi kunu ana me de ope apiepie mi so me empe apiepie ndi mama ne kwan na okọ nti okọ na fe dakro
and I think say one of the things that ever had me say dakro awo beka say
opesa okọ bi no
ana say umpene no then she
also to
na I feel the ban say na
yes
we so be to say
me de say wo de sa sebisa no aba nia etene say apart from so okọ na dakro obekọ na wa mabiem no ne de ba no se efi dakru bi ewo ho a wanka opese ene de ni opese men ne ko na so me ka se ne de ade na on me ko na se da me ko na me ko tan fie
then be ma bu say then na wo yo ho ntia medi wa chumbo so ana oba bu say
then na okoye nti a umpese medi wa chi na de ntokwa aba na fe eno nso ne etimi de ba ne se atara bi nso a na ne owo fie nso epese wo so tena ho kakra enti na se da me koyi wo tifie TV wo ho wo hwe na de ade na opese metena ho enti ne no nso de asem aba enti etimi didi aware na ase etimi twetwe nsem bibiri ba ebi nso kura wo ho a na hwe ni mu apipie obi wo bere mo na afokotena ase abonkomo keke no ase aba obi nso oyo bi a ne na afokotena ase abonkomo kaka na mo aba na nso emoa relationship ni ye kire se edidi aware no ase emoa ma emu enye de mayon kofa no emu enye de e se ebi ye obako de Jesus kan ba fie obenya bibi e de ato to obako pe atoto
okay
obako nso de bi sika no ese yibu nkunta na adwene ho yiyi na ehwe bibi e beto
etisa apiepie ni sika atoto ni na aye personality
personality differences obi patoto obi patoto obi wo ha je ne san kan sika obi a babu afoforo na afei na obeka say na atare we color no ni eso mpaboa
Aye.
de so ko pesa
And then
atare
the bag.
and the bag no ko pe okunu susu so there be sika na ye nya no and mofra no and I say yes dan ne ma bibiri we ani so nti wato mpaboa ato atare a atare mpaboa black betim de ahye color bia nti bo se ne no so edidi aware na ase by the time bia sika beba fie no inse sanka anka ese sika ba fie a eboa busua no na de asudwe ba no etimi de entawba edidi aware na ase kakra esane ni oba ko pese odi sika ne ye no ofoforo enso empe nesa eno eyinti niama we eba esunsun a abeda muntamu na muntimi enchiachia make us munchiachia mo kakra muntimi adjust mo ho to complement each other and na say complement say obi de eso obi de so na ebua obi de na ebua mutu ni nyina say man ya dakro pebon se na afumu na fi de akasakasa aba na didi aware na ase na de wonchi aba aware na ase ebi nso obakon free ninsamu ebai anti bibi obi osusu yema foforo nso enya bi obi nso susu se da bi yenyenesa ese ye krakra ye ne ma so kakra anti eno nso etimi how bibri eba if say the temptations na ill feelings eba ma bakokra se wo de wo mpi ni pasem na se utimo ade obakoso susu se wo de wagimi do bibia wo de che ehye wanu kra wo de che enti etimi de nsem ebre eba and ne ebeba ne se ebriki saade we eba etimi briki communication mputawudi you say fe ni opese ni nsam gu no ore ya ade na ompese ni
partner
behu nti na fe communication e breaki down na nkomodi ene ngitahudi eni aware no ma aware no etimi essay na the conflict be eba nhwimu bibiri anwaye afa aware ho aye researchers aye ehuin say saa niema nketenkete etimi edidi aware ase na ema aware no intimi njina se na esise ejina the distress and sometimes create me the aware jai eba na oreka ushi aware fuya saa how yi nketenkete aboaboa no ehia na opese usiesie wontema den kakra say won hye den hu eni so ade no say
didi
enye bi kese a uboso a ubitimi say we di
wanya de anase we yisi
ntiji uye hwehwemu a che asana so ade we ene ha na efi na adidi ade na asen kakra
be but na samom na me fi say obi opatoto de enka ade kese anase eba beto odimu a you be able to see quickly say and amu me cancer
aware fresh kono enya hwe go ahead to say no na ofeto nti oshia no because sansama ye kan ni etene say often these traits were noticed but ignored at the time of engagement eno kra na madu so ashase no wo hui sani ma yebo so nyina wo hui na so yetabu yeni guso esa na say bibia ye frɛ na odo no abɛhye mu na wura ye mu nti minim sɛ obia yi patototo minim sɛ obere mai o pese ofa no na so enya hwe ebetimi amfa ne saa but what na say na mo ware wie na mo mfe kwanim no na firi mo ahia asɛm ene saa su nketenketen no ene no embo essay niema bi yes essay niema bi nti mpempie ni wobu ani guso akosi sɛ firi ebe didia
abaso
And then later, when they could not be put aside, they surfaced and led to misery in the years that followed. Niatene said, Ashasano, you
what we are not where you need. Oh, then later on, unity, name ever near my afraid untimi pian to check. And I mean, a son, the broken out was a son. More here, dear Bisa, Ebishia. It's intimate to us. In the amount you say, and Konobe who said, for instance, Ukunupe PP. But Moshas and a Mutu pe. Yeah, in the Shadan how managing now near no abidi no. But the favorite baby, I'm a frabem. If I am a fryer. Yeah, I will share him say, and I can't all over no MP. Because sometimes you cannot put these things aside anymore. Yeah. Oh, if you can, you say, baby, Sadly, I want me and fun to walk again. Because if you know, more funny here. Yeah. And they say, a brilliant sense of traffic. And so I shall say, now for so when you say, Cockra, I'll be to me for Winner TV. I tell you, you might hear, will be to me for Adam, be now what. But the Mofra Ebema, want to me, and yes, I want to me, and Piazza and Goon Chain. Sana to Taton Soti. Yeah. If it is 2 years school fees, Yarimpo free maba, as a boca, and ye. It won't mean Jay in Pabway to now and share black and man call. Then first cutting ye as times with time, you cannot put them aside anymore. And that is when conflicts, if you say because the other partner also becomes I didn't know also won't say because this is not the first time matters are exactly. Then I see in that case, how do you solve this problem? Yeah. Our lesson can manage, adopt, and cook. So we will help you. You to manage and then say ubejai ubetete sa niema ede or how bad ubetete so. Now partner no so kakra na afi utimi here. Compromise so eja to kakra. And so with time because I don't know esha say na echa Nijay no yes said yes shase na ye kakra no sa na nijay so kakra na you monitor each other na eboa each other I mean you have mentioned two things atoto and APP but be sure say there are several other things in Kitibia and also adesuani ntinu na be my but the principle can be applied to all other areas. Because so will be no, like couple be a situation also me say obano ese obemano no aduane mano de be opeduane fresh. Like ompe aduane a yaye say dey ahye fridge mu na nti sem kwan a just say, oh, yeah, fresh, na you demand a son. No, China, yeah, yeah, you bet me, I can answer, but you see, I don't say no day. Problem no, a year, or better man soup by when yet, but a subia, wafa a fee, name of frase. No, dear, our enemy. Okay, but you see, if you are not be any win, I shall say no. Those who I can manage it. If you call what I know, near Juma. Interfere when you're Juma. Upon late. Inti sa suya ukun ediaba. Or de unuediani jasu and san wedino. What is a free gym now? Reheatia ompe. No. You better solve. Ubi sa semia. Among of my answers, baby. We because a family. Ubi see, and they'll be an pump them. Number. It doesn't work that way. Yeah. Niatine said, source of the problem, your very man. Adwene na ekura no enye adwene pa. If you say enye no kware. So di fridge mu aduan. Odi da na adwene na emma so. Okay.
uyi coke fridge mu na onoma fridge
and but say akoko emboda
say meka akoko nam na
oye fresh
na okochewe no fridge mu adua tomatoes no uyire wa koto no Monday different Tuesday or toy or the fridge fridge mu adua
okay
enti eno no ye falsehood a e hye dependent team okwan ye fa so ebo asa dipase ibe yi sa atoro every team say cratch asem aka na ntisa food fridge mu aduan da
okay
what did I make an
I see
it no
there's the other two examples and person me dey bana oh boy eno ba ko ye say oba no say oh mi kuru de aduan no me dey share fridge mu kra na I just say me be hiti ma no say e bi obeba fie na me ni fie na me pie na me ko ye bibia aduan no ka chere so wonyi mfa nhye microwave mu hiti kra onye not no complain say come de no back eno ye one example the other example is say udidi a wa untumi mfa wa de enko uhuru mu wa untumi see that kind of name because initially obe say obe no be say wo now I say but enkwala ba mu na adwuma ba mu no or expect say at least udidi wi a oni ho okọ adwuma unya chance ni sa see table dining table so na ade and also so and once
you see near the kind say no ebeto nyanima ye be hwehwe ye dey be hwehwe say ade di no obere man no si say o di nka di na ozi o ba ya ni bia ye kra ne ba ko na ne maame no ebi kura otiayi na say single mother na ehwe na mother no e de na ye ni kunu aye ne ba ye na adamfo nti say obema ne ba na ye adwuma bi sa na oye bibia ma no didi wi awatwitwi mama because edi kunu ne ba na damfo no nti wo ye hwehwe ma we etimi pie mu ebi so ho a na ne nnuan mmia no be yedu na ne kwa ye oberema nti na wo ba ye ma ofere forms wo ka wasema ye forms different types of forms are ofele
okay
na ofele a tire nipa kono problem be bia efiba ebi wo ha no e last born nti panifo na ye bibia ma efeli be bia wadu no ontimi enye hwe
nti eno nso e ka sa personality we no
yeah personality differences
okay
but eno no efi so ban bia efi the environment be o fiba eno nche da nye self selected
okay
but environmentally affected affecting nisu the be o fiba na affecting nisu and second one no now say nipo ya
ba ko na ono so come de no onko hit aduane ndi ni ade eno na waka wan so okay we ye obi didi awie na chance mu na ade
yes ni nyina etimi eka eno ho anase obi nso wo ha adwen na okura ansa na odebe ware no osuso oye sije no ye ni nyima ni nyina ono ya na ehuru mu ye bibia but na adwen ne se owu ne papa ne papa twitwi ni mabu nti owadwe so onya ware a saadi we nyina obejaye if say ne yire beba abe horof abe yes saadi mani nyina ama nti botaya ori ko
ode be ware no
obe ware no ne botaya de bi no expectations no ebi no
nti oba aware no
oba ware no mu na fe uso ko twitwi ni mama onti ase
okay
nti onti ase no but then the reality inso ne say me ni ho ena ebi kura abufra ne ya na me di ne ko hospital ananse me di mufra ko school enti wudidi na utwitwi mu na ode to ho na anka mmoa but esane agene ode wura ware no ne expectation enti aye dia ma no se obeye and this one is a personality differences in it yes okura agene bi but self selected ono ya na why na agene say sa no pese oye
but mamusa o ye wonema I mean we are just raising some few examples but ye wonema bi a etetesisa media say media say ye di wura awade mu ene ade do you think say there's a way as an man obitimejai
oye me da ase o sha ase no o say media say Media see asemfua bi edi mu akoten ensem na okan mu me aware enye mi biom yen indi uru aware mu pe na sa pesem nkuminya sunsum no ese oku na wo se mabeye be indi enye mi biom na mo yen benu no na wen na be boai eno ukura sa adwene na ebe boa masane ma bibiri we yi atu egu
I see. Because toda ya na ohwemu akwete say saa de no ontumi nyai ana oje obewu
hwe ye o hwe ye o
because ebinimo etimi somu de ne dia
hwe ye o adwene no say counseling no titiru na agina adwene no ho adwuma na ye nyegu ni pati mu ne say de osusu ne say de oye na ade ene ho adwuma na ye adwene no hwe ye o
I see. Okay. Inti yewie
personality difference. No?
Okay.
Say near 8th one ye money and debt. Sika ene ka ho asem. Asem bisa ewo ho eman ne say. Ya ware ye be de sika wo aware num. E ya asem a etimidi
ohauba. And should I nye ade e wa be wo so awade no
because ya ware no how are the family finances going to be earned?
Yeah.
Obi say o trafie me ko pescaba. Ana obi say ko pescaba na so ko pescaba na fambo. I tell say.
Yeah.
And no first question say imutimi answer ni e mamo. Second question is who controls the money?
But mamuso me tisa and some who can near there. E come here to say o ko ware a e say odwia wo sa na manema nyina ho. Now answers.
Obia na me oberima
because me say most of the young people who kwa wadem do not spend time thinking about some of these things.
Say no ntina that me tell already we say counselors kura ba no say yene nanom anko counseling but
yeah mo wa de
but we call counseling enye formal
yeah
tete yene nanom no wo a ye tete o ne o ma me no kasa da bia na won se bia o ka gu
yeah
hwe yi na da chi ware a we o ye ne
me ade ba ko de me kai pa ma me ka chire me no share oh
fabre de jina
me wa me ka chire say me nyina na me ware me yire betu nkon masara
well one counseling here informal but ene we are saying American etu enti na akopa say we also need professional counselors to top up the parents the mind and answer near ye nyakura because you never be asebi when you good home
yeah
when you say so worry and no eboa iti say obi catch you we menena bra me so na me yare aye kote adru na ma ntimi ko hospital what hard
what
because in one system no and environment na nye bi mu na ye we
yeah
what the karas
me na am come say ubewu am ya beto dachi bi wo we yes
exactly yeah iti ese yet sa na ma ya se iti ese odwene iti na se ukoware sisi ya at least ese we do for process bi oberima won de obia won oberima se ne yedi kan aka wahada wo no ese osinkete na osijina ese me koware
yeah
na me ko fobi ba abeto me hoso enti adwuma ben na meye
yeah
na metimi ade ahwe ese oberima no wadwene no
o take that
enye se me koware obi ba mo abehwe be obia no nso ese ohun se me nso me koware then na metimi ri aye ede abo oberima sikasem ene fie hwe
yeah
na ono nso asiesi no for that se
nti e basa sikasem ya se a then sad two decisions, are now going to play.
Yeah. Yeah. So very man, onya sajin na ansa no aba. But man did na mo be shia. And I did sa confusion yi eba
no.
Oba ebe didi niam na ase. Because very man enja tum. No so say bi ko hu ne yire na adwuma ne na ketu aso chen. Na say wa no me discuss say.
Yeah.
Ansa na ebedu.
Yeah. Nipa no.
Enti ordinary ato ne yire sika so. Ne nsa besi fem. So what you say?
Yeah.
O sa besi fem. Say o de o sa koto edwuma mo na franchise.
Yeah.
Oberima was sajuna ne nsa besi fem. And e betimi adidi ayinas. In fact, I want to be say these days. It's an American na ekura sajuna. It's obiesika enye wode. Na opo obiesika yaka.
Ya chiro
ya wode benya obiesika be kan wode na abu abusua no.
Say on nimo, I mean, if you're watching us and you didn't watch our video now, you can go back to the YouTube channel and then kwahwe the account once. In fact, actually ekwan a opel oyiri sika say ubenya oyiri sika be count the ho a ya kire enti no ubetimi akọ na wakọ akwahwe but ene de ye hwe is also sika ne de money and debt say de ubesi ahwe maware wi no se sa na ma no eba mu a ekwan be so na obefa so na waye ho adwuma aha agenti
so you have to say bien here who controls the money.
First one there.
How are we going to earn the money? Okay, fine. The first one is
and then I will say, you need to know, say, baako na ekofa ba na baako atena fi. And I'm going to
yes. Na mu ni na kofa ba baako kofa ba who controls the money? And also the next question.
And also some.
And also tell me the hour and answer.
But well, with the yakwe no mama mawie because me twin bibi say sa na ma we nyina no decision you take.
Yeah. You see, you wura ware ni ma nya dwene nkone ma no so.
I say you pray
ni you wura but you wura ma na sa na ma we.
Because I'm sorry but honestly me worry man
we ni nyina who controls the money
because I mean me twin okay worry e where they know say they be
expectations they be not oh na yiska na didi but who nya wura ware ni mu a na fe who hina na this caliber hina na control who pays the bills.
But I think one of the things maybe it will help me when say I made up my mind say me na make worry so I am going to provide and all that.
And na abuaw but you see unim so ko provide no who controls it no now unim
some na dey but they are na control
the hustle na ma problems I shall say it's an one na kan wa so I shall say wanted to control what they make an answer in a ma problems say but I'm not giving answers I'm asking questions.
Okay.
And who pays the bills? Fees, electricity.
I don't know how to I mean to say no. Then you have to. I don't want you come. Number one, who brings in the money?
Yeah.
If the two of us are bringing in the money, then I mean on a normal way, ideal situation, you expect to say the two of us should be controlling the money, and then the two of us should be paying the bills. So what I say. And then
it is so simple. The way I can very
simple. Natural. And yes, it's natural. So and nobody born my hair make culture say counselors no and they who I don't natural. Me na mako pisika ba. Me na ese be control. Me na ese be pay bills.
Okay.
I say okay. That's all me.
Oh, that is said. See how say na money you.
Aye.
But I think I make a say based on research and our findings. It's a counselors na money you.
Okay.
The money may you who are worried by you.
But
the more you are catch them.
Okay.
The money you.
Okay.
Because one you may and I can say Yes, that's the ideal situation or the expectation. But realities,
Yeah.
So how is the family's money going to be spent? You're
spending the same.
So first question here, you're confirming hina ne deba. Hina ne be hweso. Hina ne tua newen ne newen. Na ehefa kra na sika ne pese ye de ko. Say you confirm by say sanko. Sika de by sanko. And how things are really needed and which are merely desirable. Nyama ben pa na huhia na nyama ben na ye de ye pekeke. And no so it's not as we are two different people. Obi zu say we huhia, obi zu say we huhia. Na we obi say we we can do that. Also that means we no dey hia. Matthias. And then how much?
And on two questions.
Maybe some questions in
you know about it. Okay.
How much should be given to the church or other people in need? We will say sika. Mase Abba.
We are going to have a special program. Show you so. Now, you're the counselor. Could you have another counselor or also one or two counselors? I'll come. So we see discussing ye pa sika me kwako mo bi sika ana hawa yentima ye busu afo sika yembo afoforo ne sa no nyina no ese discuss ni ye em se wo sika te se Bill Gates ne se enu dia nka sa no man nka hu nche na yia obebre
ebi a wadwene no na se Bill Gates na wade ne
agu ampa
obi anim ne ntia wade ne gui nti skafa wade gu ehiafo so
awade gu
nti wo senia wo be hyehye niema fa ede asubie beba enye sika no dodo na ehia per se.
And we are going to have that session, a special edition and episode that the counselors are from Babeka operating hona omo aboy ye be gender balance and I say you between some counselors to come and join and then help almost who him there between back to the studio.
Is a budget necessary?
Is a budget necessary?
Say a transfer.
Okay, to say question is now busa memma wa no ye there be yes na memma wa no ye ni mo abon
okay so me host now ye
there be wo be here no but wo busa question say wo kan wasem ba wo busa bia memma wa no ye practice wa abon
okay
because budget no it depended say e bia ye koye bibi sonko bi na e budget a ba say ye be hyehyɛ budget ato ho ɔkyerɛ bi di banku ade che bi di dɔkono ade be say we beto we say ye to nkyena mo a ye hwɛ na ya nto we anka ho o saa na ma no saa oh eja de
well eno so na dey undermine relationship
ayo
because obi susu say eno ye dey obi susu say ya nye ne saa so ya enyi
nti ye nye budget because the moment they be budget no emema na yiti bete
say me the mark am
ye budget per member na yiti
o de mate
ye pese bu eboto
mate
na de nsatu
me the baby samase
o de come here kwai
what happens when there is shortage of money so scarcity fee kura ye be ye den and then how do we handle
and then you say
and how do we handle debt?
Okay, sekaba
so ye ben
okay,
the sense be say nyina efa sika ho no and also to me undermine relationship.
Okay,
se mo nya anu yi papa e be didi asesa na egu aware emfa ho sika do amowo e na se na ehia mo afa
okay,
e be timi edidi aware na se ama na se
okay,
anti no ejina se na wa kan e depend ejina se na mo benu no mo be hwe nia yie ema na be boa
okay,
se mo nyina motimi tena se na se ma be bi sei motimi nya no yi e wo man kasa
first one na ye say
ye
one edisika no be
fi
Nti eno no ese mo tena se na mo busa mo say okay pay a situation and circumstances ye wo mu no ye be ne den obema no nko ana obema no ntena fie no oba nko ana as ye nyina ye nko family you need to make that decision.
But you need to be flexible because you have things that jolt the marriage na ube hu so say ebi kwa na ahia no oberima na kopeba but there could be oberima na be BST Yema na wo so aware na ebiasi ema efe be bia source no entimi emfa.
Okay, mama musa wasam bi me pacho. Sa question we say obu say ewo sikasem ne ekasem no. Is it something that couples, because people are watching and go for share and go for efa never be brief in someone e kan mo. Inti musa say a couple tenase na wo answer these questions for themselves ana
so we trans you we gina ho we sign ho. Yeah, the bottom line
is so
effective communication.
Okay
now can na make no what trans chi now can
yeah
chi now
I'm talking chi be ya na too much.
No, but a tree, Metiasi.
Yeah.
Say, sister, what tenacity? Now we know what dream. And yes, what tenacity, yes. And I have a say discussions, the and because it's some better than say, saying who, because sometimes if you are more I think in Nahone, if you are more the whole dreaming, if you are more, if you could have more riding together. So we are talking about effective communication.
Okay.
And then losing yourselves in some of these things. Make and losing it. Say, a money near unkuto
exactly.
Nyem person kunya was as in some way. Say yeah, because couples differ from one onto the other.
Yeah.
Inti untminya had a fast rule.
Okay. Untumi ka say chinchina obema na on the ese okofa ba. Oba na ese okofa ba. In this because the time we busa sa question there was a couple here me no one edin komo and then in fact I feel no be worry and there were some issues and me no omo check. And one of the things busa omo no say it is oba no ejuma sem kosoro ne sika o de befie no more than oberma ne de na why na ususu say situation. I mean, we were discussing about the situation. The situation we ba why na on fee na on handle na why na onko. And then me busa, but I continue with the answer and say definitely one way oberma beka say me na meko. Yeah.
Into
what fee. Maybe also so sika out the banner and a KCSN. And that alone can create a problem in the
that home. Alone cannot create problem.
Oh, sir.
Depending on Senamoye, Obiane J 4,000, OG 3,000. Since Obiane cotton fee for a very good reason. Ibikura na mama baako ewo yare bia sese no Obiane ntimi nkwa adwuma bi. Because ntimi nja bofra na emo bi say you can see things that jolt there, you know. Nti ekoba na sa na say Obiane trafia na say mutu no mo readjust
to the 3,000
exactly
instead of the initial
3 and 4,000 7,000. Well, indeed, I make us say effective
for you, no, but a new
because I didn't go through this. Obiano and this card also no better for a purpose, a very good purpose. Not just a mouse says scano akofem. It is scano akofem no my. But at the same time, as a very man so when you say Obiano and a fee and a frano, send a quiet until there's a one so backup. Or updating, or upgrading. Yes,
income, no?
Exactly.
Then I'm over here and you get more income. I hold out, where is the money coming from?
So
you need to make.
So you need to. I said,
as you say, one source and a
say, you know, may accounts clerk, may then I need to back up. Maybe and exactly. Me for point you remember and answer me it be a temporary. It be a taking a job. Job is temporary. But then you have also look at your career. Say me accounts clerk because me chatai in the mayor day and then say me many. Now I fear I will many me uban kakra. Next time now we are not going to sleep for next year for 1 or 2 years. I'm a chapter console that let me because some of the things that do marriage, some are permanent.
So uko kuduru sa
it be a permanent.
I see.
I mean ukuna bugu them permanent. We don't bugu them permanent. Abofrano yabofra bia mu baako time bia na say e ka baako mu baako e wa abofra no e permanent uja no mo bia na wo ba na yabo na ko yabo won't me hwe no what the mechanism so enunti ina mechanism as say communication is very very effective na if selfishness so if because I worry a selflessness and I answer na mo kan selfless. Say we don't want for it. Emma, the good of the family. I was in that film. And you know,
but as some now, Canada say, would you quite sure to say, and you better?
Well, but there may be answers to questions like this. Then I'm saying, reflect one's financial values and attitudes. The same obviously, no. Chere send a usimbu sikasem efa and send a usimbu nefa in relations with family life. One. And when a husband and a wife have different answers to these kinds of questions, there is potential conflict.
Oh, okay.
Say, when to me I agree, I'm back common a year, then a bit me in town. And sometimes it is even difficult to determine whether financial tensions cause other problems or whether the reverse is more accurate. In the Ethiopia, I say, Sikasem, and a day or how be brimba, and answer me brimba warenum, and answer and send me brain so it may affect Sikasem. So one can be two they can be cause and effects depending on situation. And sometimes other matters in some be problems be it mean my yensikasem kofem na yensikasem so it mean my nebusua sem no so niema bi nso sisi e kofem what you say if asikasem kofem kura it mean affect Mona said I'm be shia Adam. And at the same time,
like your sexual relationship.
And sometimes sexual relationship is soon and also to me affect Sikasem. How? Now, Papia near brain up a quine so ako. No, nya quine so qua. Share Musa Mecano. Share Tibia or the Fifia Quaju.
Are you a buffon or the
buffon? I'm a man fan, Yaudi, not a quajuma. What do you procure mistakes? And then you're a jump wow. So Biano's in your satisfaction for a very long time, or sharing. Now, you can a man on yes or manner, on also Cotran, Edgemema, also Yaudi, and your hoodie, Ecotrem, and it can affect our financial so.
I see. Anyone born my you do most call
doing course here. But I don't think you can things that undermine. Things that undermine. So it is true, however, that a harmonious financial relationship is essential if there is to be a harmonious marriage.
Oh, okay.
They say yet me, I share home, na eji ehutum, was sikasem, na yeshia or quite yet je, or quite if I come back, so we eat Near the Ejuma, Ebua, Ebusiano.
I see.
Now, the next one is boredom.
Oh, okay.
So that on the mind. So that is item number 9.
Yeah, kind of simple. Boredom crutches,
In front and answer.
I just want to fear our phone.
Near my phone.
Saturday, so it means because the church the way.
Wow. Your warrior, your routines, you may be a ye. You quite Juma, also quite Juma, or Benuedian, or better say Didi, na inti, Emma ye, we na yesia near who ye home, nefi ye self-absorption and self-satisfaction or self-pity if you abba.
Yeah.
Na etimi draini yen. It draini excitement na ewo aware no. Emma ekodu baby a sa routines ye ne ma ye ya. Nya adwene emma ye ho so say we are also in a relationship and we need to care about ourselves, the relationship na kasa no. Ye be dwene ho. You see, sometimes you enjoy relationship na kasa ye dwene ne ma ye hia say we like business no. The mechanism. Na mo menwene say me ne me kuruntem kura ateden. Me ne me yirentem so ahokaka no mani koso je ne ho. That excitement I dey share se na wo ho. Ana se eko nkakaka na ewu a muhu. Okay. Ewu na kwa muhu. Na uhia awarefo bibie meka se aware na em se sa na tie na wo ware na okwa echi na fi unu ukunu na na wo yere muntimi monkomopo.
Ai matisa asem.
Yes. Wotaka na ekodusa bembenso na ne se obako anam benu ni nyina my board. Eya afro mutimu so ani je titru bia nim because routine no ama aware no aye door, there is no excitement in it.
I see.
And na then couples partners begin to
look
out elsewhere for variety and things that are challenging.
I see. It like so boredom here say we are okay. Na say e bit one ba say mon komodie de mudie say the daily routine electricity no and on kwan create
obelima no call this kaba obian so call this kaba ye nuadua ye dem friend go school we are taking into consideration say me ne me kuruntem me ne me yirentem no kra no then e betimi aye na ye ni akoso age ye ho sa nema we enyi ye anije ye wo ye ho no ofa enfio. You see, mushia first, mushia kind na mukoware a. Hwe ni je amowo ewo mo ho no. Yeah. Na fe hwe se maware wie na matena amowo na mfe no kwani mu no. Sa ni je no wo motimi akura mu, motimi akwani mu, atumpon wo mu. Ana se eresa. Ese motimi bisa mo ho sa ansem yi. Na den na mo betimi aye. Na motimi akanyan biem. Na motimi aye no. Send a bear, when he beji woman bribia. Said me, whom may miracle fear, with the DJ Nelco. Send a kind who now the corner, how the DJ con. Yeah. Over there be something will push you to go there. Yes. Eden of the town change there and after. The fade na after. Who took time if you are cotamali. Now, what the braka, now you're into teaching. But we trim at the raka. I'm not worried, you know. I know what say, oh, my bow, because who you know, yeah, who to me now. I saw a wabafi abenda. Boys, bro. Boys, and me, I also bread, boys, also by the same thing. And why so bread? The fate, my back to my honor. Then I'm yet, my money, Jim. And no, and why is animal winning in the past? Afi o warrior Me kwa adwuma, me ye we, ye hia we.
I've heard a lot of couples are omo cancer asem so de bia we me yetifie de bia yempie nko ba bia me de afnomi inside no and I remember so there was a situation bia nkrofo bi omo tie abrochi a obema no so de bia odo be kwa abrochi a obekwa adwuma bana oba ne gina phone so be kasa phone so sa if you cry ni je bia no ntonde oba no opie
no problem. So according pempen so ya when in sheda je ukun hu biem no yero biem a was serious problem. Yeah, because in finish kwa nim no there's excitement and was that's all. Oh yeah. Oh,
if you ne kwa nim na mo
there's excitement no wo yera wani je na mo tibi bon komodi mu agoru esresro can bibia. You can do it.
I see.
And it must be done.
And done well.
And done well. You also. And yes, sir. As a pong now a coffee, now push you, now push you out here. And found in Pedro Mawarache. As
when you say, we could share it. Say, yeah.
That's it to me, Pastor.
And I think after elections, also no campaign.
And on our next election, we will lose.
And we will support all.
We will support all. I see. Obi zati refere na obi ne ne ba koto aba e wo baby a wo to aba no mo de binim se mo be hu 92 election.
Okay.
Ono ankasa o me
kai sabe and to be
presidential candidate you are ne ba koto aba wonya 0
e wo sa police
station no be say it ye fa de say
danke danlate
danlate
oh za
generous.
Oh, okay.
If my memory serves me right. Generous. Okay. Besides, you have found a year in my politics. Now, my casa, I didn't change no money to votes. Say, after election, there's no campaign. I agree. But you see, after election, there's work to be done. You need to fulfill your promises.
Yeah.
And then keep the excitement.
Okay.
On. Send a beya. I'm on for
Sa enije na ema oba no forgo all the other proposals no ochusu no. Sa enije you need to keep
Okay. You should let her know how special she still is. And she also should let you know how special you are.
I see.
So things nyama botimi aye na ma ukunu ehun say you are still special. We didn't so ehun say you are still special. Maybe another time you betimi ahwe nyama bi things that I will do to attract my partner. Enye attraction say me kokko ware. Na mo ya ware wie no. Then nyama be ne metimi aye
to keep on attracting
to keep on attracting my partner.
Okay.
Another day,
all right.
And so the last one is a weakening emotional bond. And you see,
boredom ni
na we are
as a new boom.
Yes, oriental.
I see.
A weakening emotional bond because boredom near the emotional bond becomes weak. So there's no bond between the two. You are existing physically,
but
doing things physically, but emotionally you are far
away. Nyankopon asem na okan no. Also what the one fafa and eyi median but wakoma there. E wo chirichi.
So people see you as married couples, yet there's no emotional bond.
Now it's a more worry na mote but you are not able to
ankasa. And these things undermine the relationship.
I see.
And so the emotional bond between the husband and wife have been called the golden thread that holds partners together. And and with time over time, the bond can weaken, sometimes because of the differences that the preceding paragraphs have discussed. Nzani ma yabobɔ so nyina no baby ebe wie ni sɛ wanhwɛ na wa niema under my relationship no wanhwɛ ni nyina tutu no yi a nia ekɔ wie eni bo wie ɛhyɛ ase wɔ bodo na krakra no ɔde aba
some niema yabobɔ so from 1 2 be basi 7 8 no 9 and 10
no
ɛhɔ na the peak It's boredom. No, and I said boredom. No, I say apart from say the person get that, and I feel over banu.
Yeah, boredom. No. Now, omuna ya kura sere unini mubiem.
As of why kusu. I to say isu na method. Oh, I see. Now, the next one is afi na oni sa affection ni we no bio.
Nhwehwemu kyerɛ sɛ aware no emra ayekɔ no aware egyina no niema egyina so ne sɛ mfumso ayeye ho yetimi gyem ne egya tugu because niema yɛ kan nyina yɛ mfumso ɛwɔ yɛ ho ne egyem tugu na fe biribia no keep on hoping yenya hope ɛwɔ yɛ ho mu and then with determination no we can overcome these differences and then commit ourselves to the marriage.
So, Mambu so, Sunday may a bossy. Ya boss for some time. And yet, Nina never can book. I'm gonna be do boredom. No, there be just one of them can
1 or 2 or 3 combination of some
can consist.
Bet me ata say didi aware na se. Ndi bi a 1, e bi di be 2, be di be 3. O te make say enye possible say ni nyina be ba aware ba kum.
Ani nyina de ne nka.
Na aware na start. Oh, enye say ni nyina be wa aware ba kum. But ba kum ebien say
the first one so
yeah. Your business
real
confusion
na busy me cover na and I feel the role na as will be a play no omu nyina ntumi anyway there was one bia o kan ya na o ka say what was it cra say obema no pese obi edi ne so oba no so pese sana mani nyina betimi come
any differences
no and then they all come together. Or some come together.
Conflicting needs.
Then a bamwa na abedru baby I said more nkasa more break.
A family nje mu bi. So mo aware mo nkogu ye. Mo nkwen. Ye bi mo nkwen. But can train my. But aware na mo ti mu. Eni je bia shede ni mo. Ndi na can things that undermine the relationship. Di dia say
na ya no mo ka say me ne me rete na ya eti say nuafo
David
mo different
mo nya nua no mo nya na bi unua de o ne da say o de unua da nyi me yire aka bi a kire me da me reject yeah o say ya say nua no me say
nua enforce be shame
o say ya say now na me say him da
me yire do
no bi say ya dey and I say we ya me no yeti. Okay.
Hey, there be three.
You are me. Brofo, you are me.
You are me in the machine baby pen. Book no more.
Me chro ba. That's the title of the book. You are me.
Tina make say.
And I want to pick because I don't know be Sam. I think I will use.
For someone more counselor could you assign any book be out. Na said there be na book no be about.
Oh, we have an actual.
There be no book no be about. But I mean, so when you that's the title of the book is coming out. You are me. You are me. It's interesting. It's oyere nye onua.
Onye onua. Wo onua da sen.
Onye wadamfo.
E be adamfo de. Adamfo
temporary thing.
A temporary thing. You to be giant anytime. We don't want to so she can't be my friend. Onye madam.
Or your work.
Yes, me. She is me. And I'm
I Richard Kwama, oyiri tutu. Yes, oyiri you. I mean, these are interesting discussion you're having tonight. Now, and then many go on more. To be frank with you, some of us, you say, as a Canadian country, and I say, they are not really things that you can know before you get married. You just have to enter it to see them. It is hard.
However you see it, say you can young can as some commit me I say young casano na young hwehwe say you be sua say ade a mekoyi made na metimi aye ni ye mo bia ni ho a ye choose professional
yen
dwen say me ye den na me profession metimi aye ye sua bibia fa inti ankra na said say this profession
I marriage
profession. I juma na me kwaye no. Me sia na me wura mo so me update me ho ebribia. You see it needs updates and upgrades. That's the system. Anya hwe kwa technology.
And so can say update and show we have bibi to say Chariot TV. You started a kete o dambu to be more ho baby. And kakra and you shoot some small cameras being there, and then now we are using big cameras. We have our own studio on NT. The
kind baby ye our na sound na so exactly,
and then we
so problems no and say niema no enkoyi no now upgrade now update now update akosi and you never get finished because you have been matter 40 years and we are still learning and updating and upgrading our marriages.
And who are a Dr. Michael Japan so
or worry this weekend
Saturday na ono na worry time or the action one some fine channel
or the share time
or the share 3 p.m.
Wow.
Na saa 3 p.m. me question busa mo no say ka wo share ase adopa na nka wa share ase upgrade bi duro enyumre na nka wa upgrade akoba wo de wo share ase
enyumre open time oh ya no ugre ma no
also for the share aso wi ya no owura
I mean imagine DOS yeah ka computer sem DOS this and then me computer me use first in 1987 your friend Amiga.
They also got
Amiga no use hard disk any hard disk monitor and a keyboard na keyboard no chain no the floppy disk
and now we a guy
what the floppy disk so you keep changing floppy into this
floppy
and floppy 1.1 megabyte
now you say floppy be o mo to floppy
that we woni nobody
share floppy
your 3.5 and it's a quarter.
Me say floppy. Those days you go school now. What about when they have physical control there? Because we call computer and then what do they question?
Now share. Is it transformation of computer?
Yeah. To the extent say
Abba phone so.
Say when you say a CD cray you use to be.
There be me CD new. To any laptop I make create CD new.
Just say
we may use CD a je me ko to CD ROM bi wo as
na wa connect
na man hwe na
it is a wa no na floppy disk na o sha say we shall say with floppy eba time wa yes na floppy okay so we have floppy no
etapata
and I will move back
for 1980 I think computer wo no your friend free mo so it say demo
sa kakraka
it say demo
no
kra adwuma ye no etimi ye adwuma phone yi ye
kwa wo de ya to de no de photo and na o bi typewriter de hu bi
typewriter
and no de na ikura no
ebi wo
post office na de omo Ena move from typewriter
to
floppy.
Floppy.
Ena o floppy in the guy.
And sana hard disk, but hard disk by first, I think 3.8 or so.
It's that time how to toss anime na wo yere. So my point and say if you're able to move from typewriter to a floppy and then to hard disk near this animal, then you should
and
also
now we are even talking about, we are not talking about
they say we are talking about clouds.
We are talking about clouds and airdrop.
What
the mechanism? We are talking about airdrop.
So
we will be with machines.
What
are machines? And yes, we are offer CD.
Me say no phobia of hwe dwumade a airdrop no kro mo ntimi da.
Airdrop
na first time.
Transfer airdrop na the next equipment.
What also
it is a waware. Typewriter. Na ye wadwene say who change no innovations no, and then you become bored and the bond will be weakened and eventually the marriage will collapse.
Yeah, it's true.
Because it will not be useful to any of you anymore, even neither to the society. Your marriage won't be useful to the society.
Aye. But interestingly, so my Musa question be, ma worry, our no emphasis say obi worry, your friend saying hard disks are there, yeah, computer period and oil. Into my question is say. With time no say oba ebehu say oh my warrior no ye floppy ache nti no so utumi emuvu no ko obetime move no backward akọ typewriter sebe ya obe spice a warrior no kakra na say dey minim the make so automatic
me what the typewriter can do,
but at least also me person just say you are changing things. What must say? Iti enema bi ebi amoye twemu no. Ana ebi atama wo kope no kra no. Na wo yes anema no. Can you revisit anema no and bring them into the marriage to spice it up?
Yeah, you can revisit those that are not changeable. Because the unchangeables are constant, they remain. And it's still, your data still. Data hasn't changed.
Yeah.
Your car storage. Storage is still storage.
So, yeah. but
the way
stored and our system.
You cannot change. And variables now they spice. For instance, respect. You can't change respect.
Yeah.
Love. You can't change respect.
Yeah.
Love. Selflessness, you can't change it. Listening to your wife, you can't change that.
Or listen to your husband.
What they make an answer. So certain things are unchangeable.
Okay.
And they don't change. Because typewriter, when you type, you print, and the print will be black and white on a sheet. Still, we print black and white on a sheet.
But
now there are different fonts available for you. About 1,000 types of fonts. So if you want italic, bold, so the variables, in our way to spice up your relationship.
Okay, so it simply means that the frame of marriage still remains. But the way Ubesia go about it, because they now okay say more worry and then near me and one person is getting bored and then boredom and then
my mentor sometimes it's good to use your own examples so that people will learn. Unse mia kasa no wo worried baby wo problems kakra nye wonyina mu be se me yire intimi nantew enche no intentem
okay
to say kind no
okay
now me den na aware no mass poison with such a situation so baby ekobia no me nya no abotere etwen na mananti enya no
okay
enti me nantew intentem pa in fact wow to one hwe ya me no starting in at near jog And so what can I do? Nti say ye ko baby na esi na ye nantewa me nantew njano nti say me try na me nantew te say no nantew na ye ko sa say ye do steps so then na me ye me nko njano say me nya no ho abotere na me try na me bisa no mama betimi me nso eno no boredom feel so there's a problem. But okay, I handle Emma when he jam.
Then say our end there so many things will come.
Yes, in the problems are not good, but how you handle them, what they mechanism. Now, say no, Saudi are making it. Ebia obeko baby na men kan ho a enye ne de. And so the craving for me or that is still there. Yes, she will still want to be with me. What they mechanism. And I mean so no. Because I want to be with her and assist or support or help her. Because so that will kill the boredom and the boredom won't even appear. They won't resurface.
I see.
What the mechanism?
I see.
I'm not talking about only good things, but we're talking about even problems.
Yeah, I'm putting them back and then also reflecting on. And then because me Kaiser. Me call baby me tisia na me kwa me pese me twen I'm going and then she was like oh mother only oba na na mo
o de no crowd they say be oni be problem but look so
it is somebody crowd no can tell me say to we na or ben merwa
bona feeding
slow down okay until you need to learn on it and then upgrade and all that.
Update. What should I do? We are sitting and then I meet me here. Now you're there. Now boy into then a near G. Now near G. Yeah, I also want it.
Yeah, me tell you someone who can. It looks as if a question, but it's not a statement. It looks as if say bibi toa abarabumwa. You still keep going.
Yeah.
So, you don't quit. You still have to find a way to go.
Yeah.
Because it's like a normal life, and you still keep going. Then you want to drop.
Inti sa niema no kra no Emma ware no mo ankasa amunmaniji na ya foforo so fe. And I don't know say maka wo a freeze here. Me nua pain back birthday party golden tulip so obi onum golden tulip no say na hotel restaurant no down wura mu a reception obekọ down nti won akọ na me yere ekọ no na me share me sister wo kwan so nti me ja me na me sister bomkomo na me ja na me sane ekọ fam but me sane fam ho no na me ka say hey me ja no so am hwe na ma wensan nti quickly no me fro call so am say oh ma me sorry o me ja wo ubetimi asa no so me nko na me sister wo ho nti on ne beba ma dune kura di so
wo de wo de
me de me adechi na me sister friend no say me ma na yere ho na me say ade aye ko je ye ni so ye ho be no say baby o say me ja me yere ho na me kai na me san gwan bai ebe ka kire ni say me sorry say me ja no na mba be hwe so obetimi na me de number o say ni yere ho say da be no be nya bisa enti ho na fe me pa je so mama this be pa jo me nya gwa paye
me ye ma de
enti sa na de neti bon enti wo wa chi nso ebehu enti se wo ye wadwen se me yere ha me dodo ene we ene problem me kunu ha me dodo ene sa problem ya ma ka kire oda obi list niema 29 na yere ya eyi na ode buy na me da fam so o se na oni ada na osoro na me so ade ya wa list nyina ni nyina wo fi ha but ha na me di goru ni awu di sunu me na me di goru
I see. Your time is fast spent. Keep your comment coming. This is Chariot TV. Of course, I'm sure say most of you are enjoying the show. Or Papa or Fiano, send your comments, any questions, and then bring them. What are we expecting? What are our expectations next week?
Things that jokes.
Things that
we know we are getting.
We know they just say.
If any, I was so.
We know na. We know part.
We know we are getting.
Exactly.
Yeah. Ni I was so aware man kasano.
I feel never. Hey. And then next week, and then starting with a special edition.
Yeah, I think so.
With things that jolt. Ye bakwa.
Yeah.
Ye de guest no. Beba. And then I will and Mr. Mo. And I'm pleading with the guests and also any winner. Yeah, person within 7 BC. Mumba.
Na some say yeah, bemo who na tele bi opesa odi BC. Now say yen kan wa na waji na
dem say on mi jawa. And some na ho ni na wo kwa twen aba. But it was say obi wo ho no mo a on traffic so nko a. Ohu challenges any problem now. Utumi ka say okay, and then I would like to come and see a counselor no. Because one are careful obey na just say obitima kan. Something now what can't tell you who be now or qua then the problem still persist. There's a lady there or sending me a message said she said the Onokra will give you up. And a part of and someone maybe next week Rebecca near maybe a woso our dinner one jina obeshefo. And then say no ma our be brave gunjina near my iso.
Ejina yes. Ejina yes.
Ha. Eja your final words and you may na yem fancy.
Oh, me final words are say aware adwuma. Nti adwuma so de ye nyina yinim say adwuma ye enda fam. Nti yero ho nesua ne yeso ye. But if say bibi wo ha me pese de to tima. Yen ko computer language. Update, upgrade. Your marriage.
Who update?
Your marriage needs update and upgrades. Makanda. It is expected to say, will be soon driving or the elder wedding. And with a short period, obit me elder.
Yeah.
Now, so drive 10 years. Not
elder. Let's say also where they
sana ware ni biti. Ibinu aware 5 years, 10 years. No da so bo.
Learning
one marriage car.
Oh,
they can't drive without assistance of somebody. And a worries a hard doing. You baby a say aware no etimi gina say unim driving yi and make an obeti ase.
Yeah.
Now, bra me so driving na ye.
Why you should move the
yeah, a bit more worry still sanity. Osro say obey bibi obeka bibi no bi jam na say na yere anani kun sanya osite no nti ontimi relax.
Yeah.
E wa worry no.
Yeah.
But o sha worry so you now ye ni ya. You drive relaxed.
I say edru konkon so kra na edru bepo so kra na
say everything about just part of you. You won't ho kra na ba
aba. Yeah.
What the make na say won't driving na you will be a drive almost 40 years
on the water.
I me driving no me redwina na me hwe e no kra no sara me nwene because me tell say me drive na me say school for pompe e kire me say be slow down. The American has.
Yeah, because they can cross and all that.
Na so you be out drive na say school for pon na still speed out the corner the me twem ma ware no be good.
Yeah. Interesting. Into we say yen update ni upgrade.
Yeah.
Na yen mo na yin learning no mfiri ho.
Mfi ho.
Until yin learning na it say yesua wie.
Yesua wie. If you drive in a relaxed mood.
I see. And because for me ko say learning nda so bo ho na say my wife. It was for Chariot TV program we Love and Family Corner. Our guest has been Openyini Kojo Asan. na Kojo Asan eba show you today na ensem no obebobo so ama wo ne me yesua ade Nyankopon ya adoma. Next week we are going to have our special edition on this show. And trust me, we're going to go more than the time on your time econo into no channel so efa emame. Ahaya Chariot TV, and this has been your show, Love and Family Corner. And then the day things that undermine the relationship. AC. Next week, you ever things that jolt. Go to the air. About also say. I mean, sure, sorry. Next week, you be sure. Bye bye.
Send no question, obey thy will. Peace be still, peace be still. Whether the wrath of the storm to sea, or demons or men, or whatever it be, no waters can swallow the ship. When Lord, the master of ocean and earth and skies, the earth shall sweetly obey thy will. Peace be still, peace be still.